Namaste. Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel 3 Cs, where all of us can sit together, sip a hot cup of tea, and discuss about cricket. So, basically, we are a group of three engineering students with nothing much to do, which are extremely bored, just like you are. And today, we will be talking about a bit about cricket because that's the only thing that we know. So, now I'll hand over the mic to Mr. Parth, who will take the please.
तो टुडे हम यहाँ डिस्कस करेंगे इंडिया वर्सेस इंग्लैंड पेटीएम सीरीज फोर्थ टेस्ट। जितना भी हमें नॉलेज है वो सब आपके साथ शेयर करने के लिए हम तीनों आए हैं यहाँ पे। तो चलो शुरू किया जाए। फिर इसके
तो
बाद
फर्स्ट टॉपिक
देखो भाई
होगा।
देखो भाई लोग, अपने को ज्यादा पता नहीं है। पहले क्या होता है, फोर्थ टेस्ट सीरीज है नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम में अहमदाबाद में। देखते हैं, पिछले पिच के बारे में बहुत कंट्रोवर्सी हुए हैं थे। लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड डिस्कस अबाउट पिच।
भाई पहले तो ये लग रहा है कि टेस्ट होगा या कौन सी पिच पे होगा, क्योंकि मैच से ज्यादा तो पिच पर ज्यादा कमेंटिंग हो रही है सोशल मीडिया पे।
देखो,
पूरी क्रिकेट की दुनिया पिच पे पड़ी हुई है। सब
जो
अपने
फर्स्ट
ज्ञान
टेस्ट
बांट रहे
मैच
हैं
है
एक दूसरे को।
जो फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच है वो 2 दिन में खत्म हो गया, तो उसकी वजह से क्यूरेटर्स को ज्यादा टाइम मिल गया पिच रिपेयर
और
करने के लिए।
थर्ड टेस्ट मैच, फर्स्ट टेस्ट नहीं है वो।
थर्ड, सॉरी। तो 2 दिन में खत्म हो गया बहुत जल्दी, अनएक्सपेक्टेडली। तो वो क्यूरेटर्स को बहुत टाइम मिल गया, एक्स्ट्रा टाइम मिल गया पिच को रिपेयर करने के लिए। तो अब पिच सही होगी, लेकिन मोस्टली दूसरे पिच पे ही खेलेंगे क्योंकि भाई इतने कंट्रोवर्सीज हो गई हैं। ग्रैम स्वान ने तो भाई सीधा बोल दिया कि बॉलर्स को कंप्लेंट नहीं करना चाहिए, इंडिया वहाँ इंग्लैंड में जाके ग्रास पे खेलती है, कुछ बोलती नहीं।
बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, जैसे
the point is विराट कोहली हैज कम आउट ओपनली और बोला कि पिच में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। अश्विन ने बोला कि हु डिसाइड्स व्हाट इज अ गुड पिच। सो मुझे लग रहा है इट विल बी अ टर्निंग विकेट, पर हाँ, ज्यादा नहीं टर्न
टर्निंग
करेगा।
होगा लेकिन इतना फेवरेबल नहीं होगा, थोड़ा
नहीं
मतलब
भाई
इतनी
सुनो,
कंट्रोवर्सी के बाद।
अरे ये तो अपना व्यू है ना, बेस्ट तो अपना। जैसे मैंने बहुत सारे सोशल मीडिया में ट्वीट्स देखे, बट द कॉमन थिंग और नॉट द कॉमन थिंग, the most common thing uses the pink ball, the pink SG ball, which is
हाँ,
being
पिंक
used
बॉल।
in India. They are complaining that pink ball जो इंडिया में बनता है वो ज्यादा स्किड होता है, because of which 21 out of the 30 deliveries which were wickets।
इसीलिए अक्षर की और मतलब उसकी जैक लीच की स्ट्रेटर डिलीवरीज, ज्यादातर विकेट्स जो हैं वो स्ट्रेटर
हाँ,
डिलीवरीज
most
पे
of
हैं
the
क्योंकि
wickets were, and
बैट्समैन
I've
टर्न
seen
के लिए
Rohit
खेल रहा
Sharma
था।
said that there was no demons in the wicket. It was a good pitch to bat on.
The pink test में जैसे पार्थ ने बोला कि there is the problem with the pink SG ball. The reason is because the lacquer is extra. जो पिंक बॉल में जो लैकर
It
यूज
was a
करते हैं
bit
वो
glossy. The color is a bit glossy. So because of which it skids on. That is why people are complaining why straighter deliveries are getting more wickets, because it skids on. So basically,
पिंक
the main topic is batsmen are getting out because of pace of the ball delivered from the bowler's end, and also
बट
credit to the bowlers as well to implement their skills in a perfect way.
बट इसमें तुम ये देखो, जो है जो मतलब वो है द आयरनी ऑफ द सिचुएशन कि पिंक बॉल पे एक्सपेक्टेड रहता है कि सीम होगी, मतलब सीम पे ज्यादा होगा, स्पिन कम होगा। इसीलिए इंग्लैंड ने 3 बॉलर्स खिलाया और इंडिया ने 2 फास्ट बॉलर्स खिलाया, लेकिन देखो क्या हुआ, इंग्लैंड ने नहीं खिलाया स्पिनर।
पर आपने एक चीज नोटिस किया होगा, ड्यूरिंग कमेंट्री ग्राम
एंड
स्वान ने पूरा बॉल का डिस्क्रिप्शन बोला था। The
एंड द
description
फनीएस्ट थिंग
was,
इज
if it's a
funniest
new
thing
ball,
because look Jack, funniest thing is not a spinning wicket. 21 of the 30 wickets that fell came from straight delivery.
स्ट्रेट
Okay, it's
डिलीवरीज।
not,
and with the
it does
arm,
not mean that it's spinning. And it was an arm ball, a
it was an
genuine
arm.
arm ball, which is ball with high speed. That is
uneven
what
third,
is,
मतलब the turn on the
and
pitch was quite uneven.
that is about the last pitch. Let's discuss about the newly. What is the expectations out of an average Indian? What
See,
is your
what
expectation for the
we
new?
can accept, like, see, basically, Graham Swan told that the pink ball, the pink SG ball, first 15 over is full glossy and shiny. The grip, the stitching part, the grip. भाई क्या ही उम्मीद रखे, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि थोड़ा बैटिंग पिच होगा, a bit more grass on the pitch, and batsmen can also make the stroke plan with some bowlers for the some help for the fast bowlers. और according to me, इंडिया के पास तो bowlers world class है अभी current form में, so my hands go on the,
पिच कैसा
But
भी
are
हो,
they good enough? But are they good enough to give a competition to Jimmy Anderson and Stuart Broad?
yes,
if they prepare aggressively.
Yes, they are. अगर कंपटीशन
my
नहीं
question
देते
is
तो
that-
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कुछ नहीं कर पाते इंडियन
the
बॉलर्स.
pitch will still be a turning track. मतलब उतना ज्यादा ड्रास्टिक चेंज नहीं हो जाएगा कि सीधा सीमर्स गेम में आ गए, उतना नहीं होगा मेरे
It,
हिसाब
it,
से.
it, it may be a typical 5-day pitch. First 2 days, maybe first day some help for the seamers, and from second day last session it will start to deteriorate day by day. That is what my prediction is.
But I think England will not go with 3 seamers this time, seeing the last outcome.
Yeah, we'll come on
But
that.
who will
So
they pick?
now जैसे हमारा
will they
prediction हो गया pitch report का, तो हम चलते हैं team selection के ऊपर, और we expect many changes to be made by both teams.
सबसे पहला टीम चेंज जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि इंग्लैंड तीन सीमर्स नहीं रखेगा, 2 सीमर रखे, डॉम बेस को वापस लाया क्योंकि वो उनका एक मेन स्पिनर है. वो अलग बात है कि रूट को 6 ओवर में 5 विकेट मिल गए, लेकिन फिर भी डॉम बेस
That is once in a millennium.
Ankur, may I contradict here? Ki Dombes did not play well in the first test. Only he played well in the first innings of the first.
इनिंग्स. हाँ, मतलब सेकंड इनिंग्स में उसकी पिचिंग नहीं हो रही थी, सब फुल टॉस जा रही थी बॉल, लेकिन फिर भी वो एक
But still,
वो एक
he
फुल
is a
टाइम
better
स्पिनर है,
spinner than Joe Root.
रूट से अच्छा है, वो फुल टाइम स्पिनर है.
He is a better spinner
agree.
than Joe Root, and if England wants more option, they can play Moeen Ali as an all-rounding option also to
But
give
Moeen
them
Ali
more
is not
attacking.
here.
मोइन अली
Moeen
रोटेशन
Ali has
पॉलिसी
not
की
come.
वजह से, मोइन अली
इसीलिए
तो नहीं है
rotation
स्क्वाड में,
policy की वजह से he is
रोटेशन
left.
पॉलिसी की वजह से नहीं आ रहा है
Oh,
मोइन अली. अब
so
वो सीधा
best
उसमें
option
आएगा
for England is
T20s और
getting
ODIs.
Dom Bess in place of
Dom
maybe
Bess.
Stuart Broad, Jimmy Anderson, because
Jofra Archer.
not I'll
Stuart.
contradict on that
हाँ,
because Jofra Archer has pace.
But in the second test his average pace was 132 133ish. His
even-
average pace was not 140.
Agreed, but
that's one thing that
let me just say-
commentators also pointed out.
वो अपने
Let me
बेस्ट
just
नहीं
say-
खेल रहा है, लेकिन he
let
has
me
X
just say-
factor in.
Let me just say,
But
why
Stuart
do you
brought
come? Why do you pay?
experience.
Why do you pay to watch to this Jofra Archer? Jofra Archer is the only X factor Jofra Archer has is its pace. IPL you
Pace.
saw he was bowling at 150,
Bouncers,
152, and that is what here in
Yorkers.
this series, entire series, he has bowled about 137ish, and that is exactly what Stuart Broad also plays. Instead, Stuart Broad has extra wickets, and he has experience. He has got 500 wickets. You cannot counter that.
So Dom Bess instead of Jofra Archer for me.
That's same for me.
I
And
will
regarding the
contradict a bit. I will play
And,
Dom Bess in place of Stuart Broad and James Anderson.
Yeah, you can.
And
of course, you can.
batting
Let's see who wins.
changes
see who
maybe.
Let's see whose teams get selected. Or we might be into a shocking one. No one knows.
Batting changes
There are not many
maybe.
players there too. There is not a
Maybe
large
can,
pool to select.
We can't
can
predict.
think about-
And any comments on Jimmy Bairstow?
Bairstow
Who is
maybe
on a pair
changed,
of duck?
maybe, but he is a player of great caliber, so I don't think he will be replaced. उसने
I
उतना
say-
नाम
I
कमा
say-
लिया है कि Bairstow है वो.
मैं
Okay,
एक ही
fine.
चीज बोलना
So
चाहूंगा
one,
just one match cannot determine.
हाँ,
Okay, he got
वही.
marked in
If-
both innings, but yeah, he's a great batsman. No
if the
doubt.
ECB
Cricket team
decides
में,
not,
according to me, the change I would like to see is Kuldeep Yadav coming in for maybe Sundar, maybe Washington Sundar, because
I
the
would
pitch is turning a lot. Like taking into consideration the last pitch, next pitch का कोई क्या बोले, लेकिन फिर भी.
counter that. I actually feel Kuldeep Yadav
हाँ,
is
but
a very bad.
Sundar all
I
rounder
feel
मतलब
sorry for
batsman
Kuldeep
है.
Yadav. I will
Sundar
feel
की
sorry for
batting
Kuldeep
है.
Yadav. But Washington Sundar is a better batsman. May not be a good
वही है.
spinner. May not be a good spinner. Very good spinner, I would say.
All rounder है, वो है, balance
But
है, बहुत
batting is
balance
what
लाता है.
batting needs to be improved. India is concentrating on his batting since the Australian series.
तो according
जब-
to me, जैसे बैटिंग needs to be improved, जैसे यशवंत बोल रहे हैं, तो लेकिन जैसे हम सबको पता है कि जसप्रीत बुमराह is not available for the selection of the fourth test due to personal reasons. So definitely there's one change, and according to me, that change is Mohammad Siraj directly replaces him. So it will be bowling
Of
attack
course,
will be
Mohammad
Ishant
Siraj for me
Sharma,
also. मेरे लिए भी for
Ishant Sharma, Mohammad Siraj, and the remaining remains same for me: Akshar Patel, Ash, and Washington Sundar. Washington Sundar only made a duck in the second inning, so he can't be removed on basis of that. He has made 86 on a turning Chennai pitch, so let's give him one more chance. Strength in the batting is there, only because what I feel is there was poor shot selection. Even Rohit Sharma, the way he got on 66, That was a poor shot selection according to me.
Even Shubman Gill, like he was pulling a ball that was not meant to pull.
Look,
So
after
what I think is that
the press conference of the third test, Virat Kohli said it was all that poor batting by both sides, not only one.
by both
Both
the
sides.
captains.
By both the captains. They said this is a learning curve for England, that how to play on spinning wickets. But as far as India is concerned, it was poor batting. Everybody said it.
Exactly.
Some England greats may not agree, but almost everyone agreed that yeah, it's a poor batting performance by
But
both the teams.
we hope to get a better pitch so we can see some runs by the batsmen, and also predicting Virat Kohli's 100 after 496 days. It's been a long
Also,
time.
matlab, I would like to see Hardik Pandya play in the team if there's a spot, maybe if he can be accommodated
And
in the
also
team
remember
because he's in
one
the squad.
thing,
He
Virat
is in
Kohli
the
is not
squad.
going to give up easily because he wants that Test Championship trophy in his hand. So he will play his
Yeah.
best 11.
Look, here is the thing. Virat Kohli is not bothered about Test championship. In the back of the mind, it may be. He
In
came
back
out
of
in
the
the
mind,
press
obviously,
conference.
is.
Yeah, in the press conference, the second test or the first test, I do not remember exactly. He came out and said, if the rules can change in the lockdown, so it's not up to us. We are the ones who scored the most number of points, but it's the percentage that is counted. So it's not something that we are
And
focused a lot.
and
It's not our fault.
just to inform the viewers about this, if India wins the fourth test match, India advances to the final, and if India loses the test match, Australia advances to the
So
final.
it's a basically
If
win or
India
a draw result.
If India
Even if it's a draw, if it's a win or a draw result, India qualify for the World Test Championship against
Yeah,
England
yeah.
at Lord's.
For the first time, the irony of the situation is Australia will be rooting for England to win the match, in spite of their Ashes
That's what
rivalry.
cricket is all about. You're an enemy once, but you're friends
Enemies
together.
becomes friends in certain situations.
चलो भाई ये तो हो गया, लेकिन इस टेस्ट के बाद एक चीज तो भाई मजेदार हुई है, पूरा सोशल मीडिया हिल चुका है. इतनी ट्वीट जिंदगी में आज तक नहीं देखी पिच के ऊपर.
भाई ग्रैम स्वान के जो कमेंट है उसके ऊपर इतने लोग ने उसको ट्रोल किया है कि भाई ग्रैम स्वान
अरे
ने
भाई
जो बोला ना कि
सबसे
भाई
मजेदार
कि
तो ट्वीट अभी आज के ये मोंटे पाने सर बोलता है, इफ यू वांट टू प्ले क्रिकेट देन यू कैन प्ले ऑन द पार्क, कंपेयरिंग दिस पिच टू अ पार्क.
at least they are not comparing it to a beach.
like they were doing the comparison between Chennai pitch, comparing it to a
But see,
beach.
what I see, people are blaming pitch, but it's the batsman's fault. They did not understand the pace of the wicket or
One
the
thing,
pace of the pink shiny ball. It is not always the pitch. It is sometimes the
Pitch के बारे में
batsman's fault
twist पढ़.
also.
एक करके ट्वीट पढ़.
एक
Yeah, but
के बाद एक
pitch
thought
का
आएगा ना. And even
pitch
Mr.
का
Gavaskar commented that not the pitch, mindset did them in the end to England, which I agree. Which I completely agree with Mr. Gavaskar.
they were constantly complaining about the pitch. One valid point about the pitch not being up to the mark was that a crater was created where the fast bowlers landed their foot. That was a valid point, but टर्निंग ट्रैक के लिए तुम ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते कि बॉल बहुत टर्न हो रही है तो मतलब अनइवन टर्न है तो पिच खराब है, ऐसा नहीं होता.
Even India got out on
कंडीशंस
36 all out.
कंडीशंस दोनों के लिए सेम है ना, दोनों के लिए सेम है, तो
Exactly.
वो
Even
उसके लिए बोल
India
नहीं
got
सकते.
out on 36 on an Adelaide wicket. No one doubted the
वही तो
pitch. Everyone doubted the
पिच को
batsman
कोई नहीं
fault
बोल
on
रहा है.
that. So there is no wrong with the pitch. It should be the player's mindset who comes into play. And especially
बॉल
Michael
को
Vaughan,
खराब बोल
who
रहे
is
हैं.
always behind the pitch, has shared
That
a
is
pic
exactly
of farmer
that is
plowing a field and mocks Ahmedabad pitch.
that is Michael Vaughan, right?
Exactly, that's Michael Vaughan.
Michael Vaughan came in cricket bus and said, "Okay, this is not the kind of pitch that I like." He was very diplomatic there. Now he's just mocking us. He expects a better pitch, yeah. But look at his counterpart, Kevin Peterson. What he has, he has clearly said that batsman did not apply it very well. That batsman did not
Exactly.
had a proper defensive technique. And the funny thing is, I'll tell you this: Rohit Sharma came and tweeted it. that at least
At least
somebody
someone
understands
understands cricket.
cricket.
भाई तुम लोग ये मान लो जो खेलते हैं पिच पे उनको ज्यादा नॉलेज होगा इंस्टेड ऑफ सीइंग द पिच। जैसे हम यहाँ प्रेडिक्शन कर रहे हैं, जो खेल रहे हैं उनकी प्रेडिक्शन ज्यादा एक्यूरेट होगी ना। अब सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि बैटिंग अच्छी नहीं है। रोहित शर्मा 62 मारा, 25 मारा, इंडिया चेस्ड ऑन द विकेट विदाउट एनी लॉस। अब किसी ने कमेंट नहीं किया
भाई
कि
वो
पिच ऐसी खेल रही है।
सेकंड इनिंग्स में इंडिया 49 पे नो लॉस था, वहीं पे मतलब अगर तुम देखोगे सेकंड इनिंग्स में इंग्लैंड 49 पे कुछ 5 था, तो उसको तो पिच को तो बोल नहीं सकते आप कि भाई पिच खराब
हाँ,
है।
I
see
genuinely
where the
believe. I
bowler
genuinely believe.
deserves
Forget the
credit,
second innings.
where
Forget
the
the second innings. Forget the second innings. Talk about the first innings. Was it a pitch of 120? कितना था? 112? Was it a pitch of
it
112?
was
I doubt.
it was
I doubt it.
basically a decision which backfired on England himself. England chose to bat first, which backfired them. This is
No,
what
और
no.
I understood.
एक बड़ा
It did
बैकफायर
not
जो उनको
backfire.
हुआ,
Clearly,
सिर्फ 3 सीमर्स।
it was not a 112 run pitch. It was a 250 plus pitch if the batsman had a proper mindset and the proper shots
Yeah,
was played.
yeah. That's exactly what I'm saying.
See,
That's
on
exactly
day
what
two
I'm saying.
also, even India on day one closed on 99 for 3. The collapse happened on day two. So pitch was behaving
One
well on day
one
one.
decision
I'll be
that
diplomatic.
backfired
Wait,
them
wait a second.
heavily.
Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Because of the second day, you say that 99 for 3. You can consider that there was a little bit of dew. The pink test stopped moving around
That is all in the game
during
of
that time.
cricket.
You can say that. Yeah, I understand. But just after the next day in the afternoon when the ball came in, there was collapse. There was a massive collapse going on. There was no way India was going to come out. But that's all done and dusted. The new pitch, I expect it to be better. And there were very more funny tweets by other players. Let's hear them. Path, any more new tweets? Latest ones?
Yeah, it was nothing. It was Rohit Sharma's funny tweet that at least someone understand the game on Kevin Peterson's tweet. That was a good one. If you all felt that we
Also
can,
on social media, the team experienced a major backlash due to their bad decision about going with 3 seamers in the team. उस पे भी tweets होंगे बहुत सारे।
हाँ,
हाँ, जो
और
ने
but
बोल भी
हो
दिया
गया ना,
जो
अब आगे
भी-
बढ़ता है ना। tweets है
नहीं
क्या
ट्वीट
कुछ
हुआ
और?
नहीं है भाई। बेस्ट हाईलाइट वाज दैट विराट कोहली सेइंग ए बापू तारी बॉलिंग कमाल छे।
What is your reaction on that? Uncle?
क्या क्या क्या? अब
What
मेरे
is
को
your
गुजराती में
reaction?
कुछ बोला ना, सुनाई नहीं दिया, समझ में नहीं आया
बापू
मतलब।
अरे विराट कोहली आफ्टर द मैच ड्यूरिंग हार्दिक पांड्या's interaction with अक्षर पटेल
हाँ
came in between and said ये बापू तारी बॉलिंग कमाल छे।
भाई ट्रोल करते रहते हैं लोग, मतलब क्रिकेटर्स एकदम।
अरे हार्दिक पांड्या और अक्षर पटेल बात कर, उसके बीच में घुस के विराट कोहली ने बोला।
तो चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में। क्या प्रेडिक्शन है बॉयज? पिच कैसा खेलेगा, कौन जीतेगा, कौन कितने रन मारेगा, और क्या
पिच
इंडिया
थोड़ा मतलब
इंडिया
पिच थोड़ा
वर्सेस
बैट
न्यूजीलैंड होगा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड होगा?
पिच पिच थोड़ा मतलब सीम फेवर्ड होगा ऑफ कोर्स, मतलब थोड़ी ज्यादा स्कोरिंग होगी, 200 250 प्लस, मतलब अच्छा स्कोर होगा मेरे हिसाब से। और एज एन इंडियन फैन मैं तो ऑफ कोर्स चाहूंगा इंडिया जीते मैच को। देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है।
I genuinely believe कि इस बार थोड़ा सीमिंग होगा, मतलब इतना ज्यादा नहीं। It will be primarily
इंडियन पिच है, टर्न होना जरूरी है, टर्न होना कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, वो
दैट
होगा
इज
ही
होम
मतलब
कंडीशंस।
थोड़ा। पार तेरा क्या प्रेडिक्शन है अपनी तरफ से?
अरे प्रेडिक्शन तो भाई अपन तो चाहते हैं कि इंडिया वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड की हो लॉर्ड्स पे, और अक्षर पटेल फिर से पंजा ले ताकि लोग उसको बोले क्रिकेट इज इजी।
अक्षर पटेल 3 इनिंग्स से 5 ले रहा है, गजब डाला है भाई।
ही इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हिज लाइफ बेसिकली।
3 consecutive innings.
डेब्यू मैच में 5 सेकंड इनिंग्स में, ये मैच 11 विकेट, ड्रीम है भाई,
इट्स अ
ड्रीम।
गुड बिगिनिंग फॉर हिम।
He has
Dream
taken
run.
19 wickets in 2 tests.
ड्रीम रन।
It's a good beginning for him. So we fingers crossed, make this run continue, and hoping a century
As a
from
Gujarati, are you happy? As a Gujarati, are you very happy about Akshar Patel?
अरे बापू मजा में जलसा पानी।
वही
अरे थोड़ी ना एक इंडियन
बोल
एटलीस्ट
रहा
100 रन मारे, बोले कैसे खेलते हैं अहमदाबाद के पिच पे।
And will you be satisfied if Akshar Patel scores a half century in Gujarat and Ahmedabad in his own ground?
Then
He's
the
good
local
with the
crowd
batting.
will go bizarre. फिर तो भाई अक्षर पटेल हर टीम सिलेक्शन में नंबर 1 प्रेफरेंस होगा अगर ऐसा
अरे
खेलता
अक्षर
रहा तो।
पटेल 50 ठीक है भाई, मजा तो तब आया जब बुमराह 50 मारे वापस से।
पर वो
अरे
तो
मजा
है ही
बुमराह को
नहीं,
आएगा भाई।
वो है ही
अरे
नहीं
वो
टीम
इस बार
सिलेक्शन
नहीं
में।
है ना, मतलब वो इस बार नहीं है ना।
चलो लेकिन
मैं
एज
बोल
अ
रहा था
फैन
पिछले
ऑफ
मैच
इंडियन
में।
क्रिकेट टीम चाहता हूँ कि विराट या रोहित में से कोई 100 मारे और पुजारा 0 पे आउट ना हो फिर से।
विराट की एक बड़ी इनिंग्स आएगी, देख,
देखते
इस
हैं।
मैच में
I
आएगी।
I expect.
And
इस मैच
not
में एक बड़ी
letting,
इनिंग्स
not
आएगी।
giving any, not taking everything from England also. Hoping a good run machine, Joe Root fires some quick fire runs, good runs.
Bearstow
Shows
opens
his
his account.
class
Bearstow opens his account.
and
I
After
hoping
first
genuinely,
time.
Bairstow gets something in his bank account.
I genuinely believe that England will come hard at us if we draw or if we win. That's what
Because
I
they have nothing to
think
lose.
it can be. They have
England
nothing
has
to lose. They have,
England have nothing
The
to lose.
series is
So
standing at 2-1.
2-1 at a
2-1.
piece.
Draw
So
का है, मतलब
guys,
उनके पास
thank
ज्यादा
you.
ज्यादा।
So guys, thank you for watching this video. अगली बार मिलेंगे day 1 test match के. So see you guys over there. And please like, comment and share. And please
Bye.
give your views in the comment section. Thank you.
अभी जशन सर ये बोलता है, ये बोल, तू बोल, ठीक है, और फिर मैं, हाँ ठीक है बोल रहा हूँ। मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, कुछ शुरू हो गया तो पता नहीं भाई।
Namaste. Welcome to.
Really, nigga?
Okay, let me begin on it. Sorry.
If the ECB decides not to play Bairstow, then who comes in his place? Is it Dan Lawrence who has not performed the first 2 tests? But Sibley is already
I
in
will
the
go with
team.
नहीं, इस बार नहीं था ना, जैक
He
क्रॉली
is
था
in
ना।
the team. Rory Burns was left out. Opening pair was Dom Sibley and Zach Crawley.
री लेते हैं इसका, री लेते हैं।